Okay, let's try the next question. In the figure AC equals CD, the measure of angle EBC is 45 degrees and the measure of angle ACD is 104 degrees. What is the value of X? So there's a plethora of ways to work this question out. I think the quickest way to do this is using what's known as the exterior angle theorem. So let me quickly remind you what that looks like. The exterior angle theorem states that if you're looking for an exterior angle, for example, the angle out here, let me call that angle C. You can find it by simply adding the two interior angles that are across from it. So in other words, angle A plus angle B equals angle C. So when you reread this question, let's just now plug in the givens. We are told that angle EBC is 45 degrees. So this is 45 degrees. Angle ACD is 104 degrees. Additionally, AC equals CD. So this segment here is congruent to that segment. And if memory serves, that is an isosceles triangle. So that means the base angles, the angles down here, are going to have to be congruent. So let's actually calculate those base angles together. Angles in a triangle add up to 180. So we'd have 180 subtract 104 in that, isosceles triangle, we end up getting 76. So 76 is split evenly by the base angles because they're equal. So we divide this by 2. We end up getting that each of the base angles is 38 degrees. So bottom right, bottom left, 38, bottom right, 38. So now here's where we bring in the exterior angle theorem. If I want to highlight this bigger triangle, this one over here, you'll find that X, what we are looking for, is the exterior angle right outside here. And as we saw with the exterior angle theorem, to find X, we simply add the two interior angles that are across from it. In our case, we already found those angles as 45 degrees and 38 degrees. So those add up to 83 degrees. So therefore, our answer is 83 degrees.